is essentially the car axle. Okay? You know, if you have, the two front tires share an axle, they share a minor axis as well. All right. However, what if you had what I'm going to call the car problem? Now I'm drawing this a little bit mechanically because I want you to see some of the precision and a little bit of the precision involved. Okay, let's say in this case I'm drawing a car, and so I have two sets of ellipses, two tires that share an axis. But I also have two tires front and back that don't. Okay, watch what happens. That's the minor axis for the front wheels. But then for the back wheels, it's at a different angle. So the end result of this is the front wheels, you're going to have, whoops, I shouldn't have done that, darn it. The front wheels are going to have a major axis like this that then is shared back here. So those two are parallel. But now look what happens here. You see that these are 90, and so these are parallel, but these are different. Okay? Now, this is where people often make mistakes when they're drawing a car or something like that. And watch how wrong, we were talking in the morning class, watch how wrong this will look to you now. They'll have two sides, they'll have the side of a car, and they'll do this. And do you see how this one looks like it's leaning out now? When it actually should be doing something more like that. Okay? So, I'm going to do this very quickly, you guys, to illustrate this. Watch. Let's say I have so here's cylinder number 1. Actually, guys, just watch this first part for a second, then I'll let you catch up. So if I have this one, I can actually draw my cylinder quickly just by going to the VP. And if I'm not being too persnickety about it, I can just make this a little bit rounder and I'll probably be in the ballpark. Okay? And you see that that is convincing as a column. On the back side, though, I can actually do this, cut these off this way. And then do the same thing with the VP. Okay, and you guys watch. this is how you apply the use of perspective to make Fred Flintstone's car. We can all sing Flintstone. So, do you guys see that this stuff is really useful? It's really cool. Does that make sense? Yabba dabba doo. I drew a better one in morning class. Alright. Oh, there's one additional thing I have to show you. Does this make sense to everybody so far? Anybody have any questions? Okay. One more fun thing. And I think this is everything. You know, Brandon, can you double check to make sure I'm not missing anything? I'm having this moment of, okay, I know I'm going to do the one more thing there that you see.